Let us move on the next question based on the cost of sales adjustment method. Okay, the question is, from the following data compute cost of sales adjustment. Okay, what they have given, the stock on 1st January 2017, they have given the historic cost and the price index for the same. Purchases 30,198 is the price index. Stock on 31st December 2017, 12,500, 220 as the price index. Okay, now just I will go through with the method. So that is the first method, that is by using the formula we will calculate the method. Okay, for that we need to get the which is the average price, right? So the always the price index which is given for the purchases will be considered as the average in case of the cost of sales. Okay, that's why we will take the formula. So here you can see the formula is given. So C is, so the stock closing stock is 12,500, opening stock is 10,000. So the price index of average is 198, price index of closing stock is 120, price index of opening stock is 180. Okay, let me solve the problem. Solution: calculation of cost of sales adjustment. Okay, now let us write the formula. COSA equals to C minus O, closing stock minus opening stock, again minus index of average, open the bracket, C divided by index of closing stock, opening stock divided by, so price index of that one. So now let us will go for the numerical fulfillment of this formula. So the closing stock amount is 12,500, opening stock 10,000. So the price index already I quoted, the average will be 198 minus, so here what is again closing stock 12,500 divided by what is the price index for that one, it is 220, minus opening stock 10,000, price index on that time is 180. Now we will simplify the answer. So this difference is 2,500 minus 198, 12,500 divided by 220, 56.81, 10,000 divided by 180 will give the value 55.55. Okay, now we will deduct these two values, 56.81 minus 55.55, so that is 1.26. so directly I will go for multiplying this value, 2,500 198 into the difference is 1.26. so now we will multiply these two figures. 2,500 minus 249.48, so or we will also write 250. So our answer is now 2,250. so this is the cost of sales, so by using the formula. Okay, you can also calculate by using the how we took the second method. Okay, this method also you can use, so whichever is easier to you can solve the any one. Okay, now we will solve the second one, method second. Method 2. So first I will write opening stock opening stock was how much? It was 10,000, right? So it was 10,000. So 10,000, so I will here write 10,000 into, so what we are converting to? So we are converting to the, so the average index, right? So that's why I will take as the 198 as the price index. Okay, but what is the price index on the opening stock? It was how much? 180, right? 180. Okay, for this I am adding the purchases. Purchases was 20,000. So 198 is average and 198 again the value. For this total I am going to deduct the closing stock, that was 12,500. So 198 will remain same. What was the price index on that day? It is 220. 220. Okay, now let me write up all the answers. 10,000 into 198 divided by 180. So I got answer as 11,000. Next one, 20,000, it will be remain same, right? So 20,000 total, it was 31,000. 31,000. Now 12,500 multiplied into 198 divided by 220. I got 11,250. So it was 30,000. I wrote it as the 20,000 here. So I will just make a correction that 30,000, it is 41,000. So I will deduct these values. 29,750. Okay, this is the value on CCA based, right? So cost of sales of CCA. Okay, now what we will do? So we will just take down the difference of these values and this value. Okay, for that what I will do? So directly I will go for this calculation. 10,000. So here we can write, right? So here we can also write the one more column. Okay, this is CCA, this is HCA. Okay, opening stock was 10,000. So we added the purchases, so we got 40,000. So we deducted the closing stock and we got the how much? 27,500. Okay, now what we will do? So by using the formula, current cost minus historic cost, so that is 29,750 minus 27,500, we will get 2,250. So is it same? Yes, is it same, right? So 2,250 is same. Okay, any of the method you can use. So hope you understood the problem based on cost of sales. So is it okay? So let us see in the next video.